Today I am doing a quick tidy and refresh of my primary suite in my closet, my bathroom, and my bedroom, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. As always, I would love to thank the talented Sunday Dawn for faithfully putting this playlist together each and every Tuesday, along with the rest of the Tiny Tidy team. I will link Sunday's channel along with this week's playlist in my description box below. Please check everyone out. It's always such a motivating day for me. I get so much done on Tuesdays, and it is actually Tuesday afternoon at this point. Tuesday afternoon. I'm ahead of myself. It's actually Monday afternoon at this point. I had a very busy morning and I have yet to do my zone cleaning today. It's Monday, so on Mondays I do my primary suite, which I do some dusting in my closet, my primary bathroom, and my primary bedroom. So I'm going to take you along with me as I do that. I'm not going to be as detailed and thorough as normal. I'll probably come back in and add a few things tomorrow just because it is so late and I want to keep this as short as possible. Before I get started, I am going to take these sheets off and start washing those. Over the weekend, I got a new comforter and a new pillow, so I want to put those on after I get the sheets washed. While the sheets are washing, I'm going to do the zone cleaning, and then I'll probably go out into the garage and do some more of my 40 bags in 40 days, which I will have a video about how that progress is coming out for you guys tomorrow. And then I'll come back and I'll put the sheets back on and put the new comforter on, and then the tidy will be complete, hopefully, unless there's something else that I want to add. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this inspires you to tidy something along with me, even if you are getting a later start to your day as well. So let's get busy. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my sheets off and I'm going to wash those, and while those are washing, I'm going to actually do my zone cleaning, and I'll probably also have time to go out into the garage and work on my 40 bags in 40 days, which I will have out in a video tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just taking my sheets off, and as I take my sheets off and put them in the washing machine, I just want to take a moment, if you are new to my channel, and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former elementary school teacher. I'm nationally board certified. I am now a homemaker. I am also a heart warrior, and I would love for you to join this journey with me.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego.
I'm so happy that I did a really deep clean of the bathroom last week and hit my shower pretty hard, and so I don't have as much to do in here this week, so that's why I'm doing just more on the lighter side of cleaning and just using my vinegar soap solution to clean. I've wiped it down every day. This is an example of my zone cleaning. Zone cleaning goes pretty fast for me. I looked at my total time spent, including moving my camera and everything to do all three of these areas, was 45 minutes. And that is because every Monday, I do the same exact area. I take all the same things off the furniture. I can put them back on very quickly because the more you do it, the faster you can do it. I go in the same order, and even every day when I'm just doing my regular tidying around the house and wiping things down, I always start in the same order, so it just goes faster and faster and faster. So if you ever do decide to start a routine like this, it will be slow at first, but as you continue to do it, the process, you will become faster and faster and find that you get your zone cleaning done faster, especially on days like today when I'm not doing deep scrubbing and deep cleaning and just wiping things down. As I move into my bedroom, I just want to tell you guys that my bedroom, I call it my Zen room because this is my happy place. Everything in my primary bedroom that I have decorated with or used, materials, textures, everything is things that I really like, value, things that bring me joy. It's a place that I can go to when I'm stressed or just to escape the world. Everything in this room brings me peace, tranquility. It's just a joyful place for me to go, surrounded with things that I love. So I would love to encourage you to set up a room or even a corner or a space in your home and make sure that everyone, your kids, your husband, your roommate, whomever you might live with, your spouse, that they have a place that they can go to that is surrounded by pictures and things that they like and that bring them joy, that they can escape to whenever they need to take some time away and to relieve stress as well. And that is what this room is for me. So I call it my Zen Jen or my Jen Zen room because this is my happy and safe place that I go, and I absolutely love it. The only thing that I do not like about this room is that you can see the cord from the TV, and in just a second I'm going to show you a solution that I had for some of my other cords.
up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights.
This area right here beside my bed, this is a surge protector where I can plug several things in. And I have Velcro strips attaching it to the side of my nightstand. It is the same color. And it just keeps it out of the way. It's not in the floor. And I just like the fact that you cannot see the cords. I decided to put it on the side because if I put it in the back, which you could also do, which would also be an option, I would have to pull my end table out more, and I did not want it sticking out more in the room. So I did decide to put it over here on the side. Also, while I'm showing you guys this, I have my glasses on this one, but I have been ordering these from Amazon. They are little disposable coasters, and I love to keep like a bottle of water, and sometimes I'll have like another cup in here, but I always have a bottle of water with me. And I love these because they're like cardboard and I can put my water on them, and I don't have to have an actual coaster in here, and they're disposable. I can throw them away. So I've really been liking these, and you get like a big package of them and it lasts a while because honestly I usually change these out maybe twice a week.
Go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Thank you guys so much for spending some of your afternoon with me. I hope that I inspired you to do a tiny tidy as well. If you tidied along with me, let me know in the comments what you tidied while you were watching. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.